Keto Mountain. This is part 4 with wild garlic. With keto, we eat a lot eggs. Eggs. It's boring, right? How to keep it interesting? This is where our friend wild garlic comes in. An omelette with wild garlic is extremely yummy. So let's go to our ingredients. We will need 1 cubed onion, about 1 cup, about 90 grams of wild garlic. Here I have sauteed mushroom, about 1 cup, mozzarella, about 120 grams, and then 2 tablespoons of butter, 10 eggs, a little avocado oil. Set your burner on medium to medium high using a big frying pan. I am starting with my onion, butter, and a little avocado oil or olive oil, and saute everything for about 2 minutes. I am adding my sauteed mushrooms. You can use directly fresh mushrooms, which will add to the preparation time. Cut your wild garlic finely and add it to the frying pan. Again, you want to saute for another 2 minutes. I am adding my salt and pepper, and you want to mix well. I am adding to our eggs a splash of heavy cream, and you want to mix it well. Pour your egg mix on your vegetables and stir well. Make sure your vegetables are distributed evenly. Lower your heat and cook for about 2 to 3 minutes. Here, I am making some cuts to make sure the eggs are cooked well. It is time for mozzarella. We want to distribute evenly. So, our omelette is done, if it's not raining anymore. So yummy. I hope you try this recipe. For real, it's so yummy. So thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit this notification bell for the next video. In the meantime, like I always say, stay healthy and guten appetit.